some news just a few minutes back, and I was very upset. So if you have noticed me, then I was a little upset. But this session really pepped me up to thinking. There are downs, but there is also bouncing back to it. So what I really felt as a teacher, I've been teaching for many years now. What I feel that these things were lacking. There are a lot yet to learn. So teaching is teacher has to learn lifelong. There are different ways, different categories of students, and different, with changing times, the typology, the characteristics of students are also changing. So these little insights about this counseling of the teachers and for the teachers, both are very, very important. So that's why I felt, personally, I would like to say that Suparna ma'am has a very smiling face. It's very bright and beautiful to look at, and the way she expressed for the teachers, the well-being of the teachers, the way she explained it, it will be in my mind for a very long time. It is going to be, and I'm going to keep on revising things. And thank you, Mithun ma'am, for so nicely coordinating the whole thing. Also, I would also like to thank the group too, because they have been interacting with me very well. Very insightful thoughts I also got from them. So it is not only from ma'am, but the others also, such insightful stories. So thank you so much. It was extremely worth it. Thank you.